What the heck? This feels so weird. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I kind of wanted to do a get ready with me just because I haven't filmed in so long. I feel kind of weird getting back into it, not talking at all about why I haven't been posting or how I'm feeling, or it feels so weird right now. I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me video. I just kind of wanted to just do my makeup. I haven't done my makeup on this channel. It feels like a long time. I posted my Valentine's videos and then I kind of stopped posting again, and I'm trying so hard to kind of fix that. I've always been really inconsistent with posting YouTube videos, and that's just because I don't know, I always doubt myself, or I feel like I'm too tired or whatever, and I realized that doing makeup videos and creating stuff on this channel is something that I really like to do, and the only thing that's really stopping me is myself. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to push myself again to do YouTube. I just wanted to see where this takes me really, and I want to be kind of real with you guys, and I've always been kind of real on this channel, but I want to go more in depth and talk about like my story, and I want to talk about things that can inspire you guys. Yeah, so basically I'm back, and I feel like I'm back for real this time, but let's see. Yeah, so I just wanted to do my makeup here on my channel because I haven't in a really long time, and I like doing makeup, and my makeup routine is so different. It's a lot lighter. I might go a little heavier for this get ready with me, but on the day-to-day my makeup's been a lot lighter. I'm gonna start with my all-time fave. Since I started this channel, I've been using this and I cannot stop. Once I find something this thick for my face, because my face used to be super dry, once I find something this thick for my face, maybe I'll change, but I haven't found anything, so we're just gonna keep going with that. Anyways, I've been doing a lot of healing lately, and I've been feeling a lot better. Like through 2 or 3 years ago, I posted a Q&A kind of video, and I was talking about depression and stuff, and I don't know if you guys know, but I have a tattoo that literally says like "My Dear Melancholy," because I was suffering for a minute, and I feel like as of lately I've been isolated. I think we've all been isolated during the pandemic, but I feel like I've been isolated to the point where I've had to deal with the things that I didn't want to deal with. Taking my Belief Aqua Bomb, I still love this product. So I've been healing a lot lately, and I've been feeling better. I feel like I needed to deal with that stuff to be creative and be who I wanted to be and who I've always been. Really happy at the moment. Everything is going good for me at the moment, and I think for a while, because my mindset like has completely changed, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I still do the same thing. My Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, it's thick. I like thick things, I guess. My Milani foundation, I still fuck with this foundation. It's so heavy, I can't use anything else. I like the texture of it. It's like moussey. Where's my mirror? And I still use this mirror like every day. And I just like underline my eyebrows, to be honest. I've been doing a lot better, like I said, and it's crazy. It's been like a year since the pandemic started. I started a new job in the meantime. When I'm working, honestly, it's not my favorite. I like being home and creating and doing art and stuff like that. So being back at work kind of sucks, but I'm taking my, what is this, Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow. Just mix it with some of this Trader Joe's facial toner. It's Hydrate and Refresh. I actually love this. It's really inexpensive and it's at Trader Joe's, and I love Trader Joe's. So also wanted to talk about like how healing has pushed me to kind of change my lifestyle. For a long time I was kind of like, what the fuck, why is all this stuff happening to me, and you know, why do these things keep happening to me, and like my life sucks, stuff like that. Really, like, was not doing good. And I switched my perspective to, what is this teaching me compared to why is this happening to me? Because I feel like I was at an all-time low. These eyebrows. Let me do my eyebrows and come back. My eyebrows are as good as it's gonna get, so whatever. I'm gonna spray this Trader Joe's Rose Water Facial Toner all over my face, just to like freshen up a little. For foundation, I'm just taking my regular Milani, just one pump, and a beauty blender that's really damp. Ooh, I think that's too much foundation. It might be. Yeah, that was way too much. What do I do? I'm gonna put it into an empty bottle because that was too much foundation. I don't wear as much as I used to, and I don't really use concealer anymore. I kind of got tired of doing my makeup the way that I used to, like full face, everyday makeup. I was over it. I wanted to kind of like love myself more and use makeup to enhance what I already have, not cover everything up. So as you can see, I'm using the foundation. I put half of it back in the bottle, and the rest of it I'm just using this damp beauty blender to lightly coat that on my skin, because I used to cover up everything, like literally everything, and I actually really like my skin, so I'm starting to embrace that. The next thing that I do is I go straight into bronzer. At the moment, I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer. This is Holiday Romance, Bronzer Reloaded Holiday Romance. I have no idea what it's called. This is what it looks like on the back. So if you guys want to go grab that, I don't know the name of it. And I'm just taking my Morphe M527. I'm just telling you guys a number just in case you're looking for a brush like this. This is what it looks like. And this brush I use for bronzer, so I just kind of tap my brush in there and just messily bronze my skin up. I like looking really sun-kissed, so that's what I'm doing here. And then just right under the cheekbone, I'll do a little contour, and on my nose too. So I don't know if you can see this concealer line on my eyebrows. I just take my fingernail and just kind of get that concealer up and blend it into my brow. That way it looks like more natural, not so concealered out. Lately I've been using this Milani Supercharged Cheek and Lip multi-stick. It's blush or like color. This is like a peachy color, and I've been using the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz collection, and I just take a little bit of that, and it's still like looking like an anime princess. Like I said, I don't wear concealer anymore, so I just throw the blush right on top of the foundation in my face with Fix Plus. Ew, I tasted it. And I still have my Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter. I just put it in all the points that I used to put it. I still wear highlighter. I know a lot of people don't like highlighter anymore. They like to look matte, but I like to look like I am glowing in the sun. So that's what I do. I take a Morphe eyeshadow brush and I just use my bronzer. Honestly, I don't even waste my time in the morning with an eyeshadow palette. I just take my bronzer and just bronze this middle part right here, and that's literally it, because I'm wearing because I have these eyelash extensions. I don't want to wear too much makeup where I have to go and take it off at night, because and luckily I still have my Artist Couture Le Peach highlight. This is my favorite highlighter in the whole planet, and I'm almost done with it, but I only use it for special occasions now because I barely have any. And then I take my brow powder and I just take an e.l.f. angled eyeliner brush and I just make a few little freckles, because I do have freckles and I cover them up. And then I always take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal eyeliner and I put it on the back of my hand, and I put this just on the high points of my face. You're not going to be able to tell in the camera, but it's like glitter, because I like looking like a fairy kind of. And then the last step is I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Nude and I kind of just underline my lips. I mean outline, whatever. And lastly, I just take some more blush. This is the Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love. And I just take the peach color that's right in the middle. And I finish off my makeup like that. That's everything for my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed how I wear my makeup now. I love it so much. I know it's really orange and blushy, but that's just the vibe. That was everything for this video. It was just a quick get ready with me, just to kind of tell you guys like I'm okay, and I'm going to try to start posting again, because I really doing my crazy makeup looks and all my crazy ideas and just sharing it with you guys. I just want to inspire people, and I realized that my art and the things that I create, I could inspire you guys. So I do want to get back into it. I'm going to be posting a lot more. I was just really in my head for a really long time. I'm healing, I'm feeling better, and I just wanted to kind of check in with you guys and see how you're feeling as well. From this point, this video on. I want to push myself to just be more creative, and yeah, so I'm gonna be posting more. So if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing more of my face, make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Follow me on Instagram to see pictures of my looks and to see what I'm up to when I'm not posting here. And I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Bye everyone.